The Indonesian government is trying to restore databases affected by a cyber attack on a data center that disrupted public services last week. It's the worst breach in years, with disruptions affecting immigration services and operations at major airports. CNA's Saiful Ismail with this report.
The immigration service at Soekarno-Hatta International Airport was one of the places affected by the cyber attack on the data center in Surabaya, East Java province. As of Wednesday, 5 of the affected agencies had restored their database access and resumed services, including the Immigration Office and other municipal administrations in East Java. But passport services at certain immigration offices appeared not to be fully recovered, as some Indonesians awaited the issuance of delayed passports. The Information and Communications Ministry said 44 government agencies, including key ministries, were targets of the ransomware attack. Telkom Group, which operates 2 major data centers in Indonesia, one in the capital city of Jakarta and the other in Surabaya, assured Indonesians that their data was secure. The group said it has isolated the system in the national data center so no one can enter it. Authorities said they were still investigating the cause of the attack. Earlier this week, the Communications Ministry said that the attacker had used malicious software called Logbit 3.0 and demanded a ransom of $8 million. The government has insisted that it will not negotiate with the hackers and has refused to pay a ransom to release the data. The attack on the data center is the latest in a long string of data security breaches that have hit Indonesia. Last year, there was a massive data breach involving the personal particulars of more than 15 million customers and staff of Bank Syariah Indonesia, the country's largest Islamic bank. The same year, a hacker also allegedly leaked the data of 35 million Indonesian passport holders. On Thursday, Indonesian lawmakers are expected to summon officials from the Ministry of Communication and Information and the National Cyber and Crypto Agency to discuss the recent disruption to the national data center system. The government will be asked for an explanation regarding the disruption and carry out an evaluation to mitigate it so that something similar does not happen again. Saiful Ismail, CNA, Jakarta.